All right, it's time for challenge number 2. We need to draw one square. Let me delete the S. Draw one square using the pen. So we're going to have to go to the art canvas. So I'm going to go here to VEXCode VR. We are all done with our Castle Crasher. So I'm going to go File, New Text Project. I don't want to save it. All right, so this time we need to find the canvas that says Art Canvas, not the Art Canvas Plus. We just want Art Canvas. So I'm going to click on that, and it takes me here. Remember, every time we open up a new program, it always comes with our first line of code, drive 4, forward 200 millimeters. I'm going to click Open Playground so we can see what it looks like. Okay, there's our robot. So for the challenge, we need to draw a square that is 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters. Okay, I'm going to click Hide. So I know that we want to use the pen. So on the left side of the screen, I'm going to click on Drawing, and I am actually going to put my cursor here where that first line of code that it gave us. I'm going to click Enter, and then so that gives me an extra line. So we want to draw a line behind wherever our robot goes. So we need the block, the code that says Move Pen Down, and I'm just going to put it right there. And you could change the color, you could change the width, you can do all sorts of stuff. I'm just going to leave it as a black pen. So I want to move my pen down. So a square, what we need to do is, I'm just going to delete that extra space. You can leave it there if you want to. We want it to drive forward. We want each side not to be 200, but 600. So I'm going to change the 200 to 600. And then once it goes up, I want it to turn 90 degrees to the right. So I'm going to grab the one that says turn right, 90 degrees, and I'm going to put it right underneath with my D's lined up with my P and my pen. Okay, that looks great. So let's click Show, and then let's click Start. Excuse me. So as you can see, when our robot drove forward, it did a black line behind it, and then our robot turned to the right. Let's go Hide. So we want to drive train, move forward. We want to do the same thing. So I'm going to put it right underneath. We want to change 200 to 600, and then turn right 4, put it right underneath, right 90 degrees, and reset. Let's see how that goes. Nice. Perfect. Turns to the right. Awesome. So I am just going to repeat this 2 more times. Change 200 to 600. Turn right. And then drive forward 4, 600. Okay, so let's click Show. Let's click Reset. And let's click Play. Awesome. Perfect. We got it. Okay, let's go back here to our code. So as you can see, we do drive forward, turn right, drive forward, turn right, drive forward, turn right, drive forward. We do that 4 times. That is each of our sides. Do you think there's a way that we could use a loop where we reduce how much code we've got? So I'm going to put my cursor here next to Move Pen Down, and I'm just going to give myself an extra space. And I'm going to get rid of my error tabulator there. So now my code looks like this. Right underneath Move Pen Down, I'm going to go to Logic, and let's see, is there something that's called repeat? No, I don't see that. If, else, while, break. So let's try, in Python, repeat is actually called for. So it's called a for loop. So I'm going to click on for, and I'm going to move it right underneath my pen. So repeat count in range. So right now it would have it repeat 10 times. So whatever the range is how many times it's going to repeat. I'm going to have it do 4 times. And then where it says pass, that is what we want to repeat 4 times. So we want it to, I'm going to highlight drive train and drive forward 4. and I'm going to cut and paste. So I'm going to go Command X, and that cuts it. And then where it says pass, I'm going to put my cursor. I'm going to delete, and then I'm going to do Command V. And then do you see how the D of my drivetrain is in line with the R of my repeat? But then this drivetrain is not. So right now it's only going to repeat drivetrain drive forward for 600, but that's not what we want. We want to drive forward 600 millimeters and turn right for 90 degrees. So I'm going to put my cursor here for the drivetrain turn right for 90 degrees, and then click Tab so that my D's are lined up underneath. So that's a part of what we want to repeat. So I am just going to delete my extra code down here. So our program now is move pen down for repeat count in range 4. So 4 times. What do we want to have repeat? Drive forward for 600 millimeters and then turn right for 90 degrees. So why don't we reset and let's see what happens. Drive forward, turn right. Drive forward, turn right. Drive forward, turn right. Forward and turn right. Awesome. There we go.